There's a piece of land in Barrio San Luis, in Pérez Zeledón, close to Gasotica, that most people drive right past without noticing. 3,600 square meters. Not a number that means much on its own, until you're actually standing on it. What makes this place different isn't just its size, it's that there isn't much land like this left around here anymore. Most of what's near it has already been divided, built on, closed in. This one hasn't. You'd expect a property this close to the city to feel like the city. It doesn't. You're near enough to reach anything you need in a few minutes, but far enough that you barely hear a car go by. No rush of traffic, no constant hum, just quiet. Walk onto the land, and the first thing you notice is the green. Trees that have been left alone long enough to grow the way they want to. Grass that isn't manicured, just alive. And running through it, from one side to the other, a creek. Not something added to the property, something the property was built around. You can hear it before you see it. Water moving over stone, steady, unbothered by time. It splits the land gently, crossing from edge to edge, and along its banks, life gathers the way it always has. Birds passing through, small animals that call this stretch of green home. It's the kind of thing you don't design into a property. It's the kind of thing you find already there, waiting. Standing here, it's easy to imagine what could come next. A home, tucked into the trees, waking up to the sound of water instead of traffic. Or something built to share. A few homes, a small project, something that gives other people the same feeling you're having right now. Even a place people come to visit, to work, to gather. The land is open enough and quiet enough to hold almost any idea. But right now, none of that has happened yet. Right now, it's just land. Green, quiet, crossed by water, close to the city but somehow far from its noise. One of the last pieces like it, in a place that doesn't have many left.